At the very beginning of chapter 54 in the Quran, it says the moon was, amazingly, split in two. Why did this happen? Well, according to the Hadith, the people of Mecca requested that Muhammad show them a miracle. So Muhammad was like, okay, there's the moon split in half. Now, if this event actually occurred, you would think there'd be some scientific evidence supporting it, and you would think there'd be tons of documentation from other cultures recounting this event. But there isn't. Now, some Muslims have tried using this picture of a depression on the moon as evidence the moon was split. However, this is actually one of many grooves found on the moon called a rill. This particular rill is called Rima Ariadaeus, and while the moon has a circumference of over 10,000 kilometers, this rill only has a length of about 300, which makes it less than 3% the circumference of the moon. Yeah, not very strong evidence of a split. Not to mention the fact that planets like Mars and Venus also have rills, so did Allah split them in half too? Even a scientist from NASA has said this is bullshit. A word of advice to any science majors out there. If you're studying for an exam, this is the last book you want to use. In the Quran, the moon is described as being a light. Not reflected light, but literally a light itself. The Quran is said to be the word of Allah, and because Allah is apparently perfect in every way, the Quran is therefore perfect as well. But if that were the case, then there should not be verses in this book which we know are empirically wrong. Seeing how the Quran is so blatantly detached from reality, maybe it's not the word of a god. Maybe it's not really perfect. Maybe, just maybe, it's nothing more than a primitive book from a primitive time.